Now, in my opinion, one of the best things that's ever happened to the Jeep Wrangler was the advent of the unlimited trim. 4 doors, which allows for easy access for your peeps in the back. There's great leg room, lots of space, and if this top is removed, just awesome access to vitamin D, guys. All right, so I did take it off-road just a little bit, but it's not that type of video, guys. Look at this fine, I'm gonna call this the Stars and Stripes pin with beautiful wood inlay of your stripes and individual inlaid stars. So each one of these stars is its own little individual wood inlay. Beautiful pin. Perfect gift for someone that's very patriotic, maybe a veteran, or maybe just yourself. Handcrafted, small batch, made to order. Lootshop.com. Check that out, guys. Beautiful. This is just a beautiful piece of art. Click the link below. Check out lootshop.com. Let them know the average guy sent you. And now I'm going to get back to work. Made in America, guys. Just gorgeous. Lootshop.com. Yeah, I did take it off-road just a little bit. But come on, it's a Wrangler, right?